Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about edge computing. In our previous video, we have learned about the information and communication technology, and edge computing comes under the umbrella of information and communication technology. So we're going to have a detailed lecture on edge computing today. Friends, there are two connotations regarding edge computing. So today we are going to cover the basic one. Here in this video, we are going to learn what is edge computing, why we use it, and how we use it. So let's get started. First of all, edge computing. You have to understand the meaning of edge and computing. So what is edge? Edge is an outside limit of an object, area, or surface. And computing is to compute something. You can say to process something, to count something, or to calculate something. So edge computing itself is a term that means the computing that is not centralized, that is on the edge. So let's move in toward the definition of edge computing. Here is an emerging computing paradigm which refers to a range of networks or devices at or near user. You have to focus on one thing, that is at or near user. Further, edge is about processing data closer to where it's being generated. That means it is basically depends on the data where it's being generated, or near or closer to user. That means edge computing is basically on the computing process which is closer to the source of data generated, where the data is generated, the source, the user, which is closer, enabling processing at greater speeds, leading to greater result in real time. It is important that how we make decision on real time. Sometimes you need to make decision, you have to take decision very quick, and you have to take decision on the basis of your environment and condition. So the processing should be very much efficient without delay. On that purpose, we are using the edge computing, where the data is generated, and processed on the same spot where the source of data is. So we can say that edge computing is on-spot computing. That means the computing is on spot where the data is generated. So with some examples, we are going to learn how it is being used and how we can implement it in our daily lives. So friends, there are some examples, or you can say the practical implementation of edge computing in the form of automatic vehicles, traffic management system, healthcare, security, and agriculture and farming. So friends, whenever you have to perform the edge computing, your device must have the edge device or a smart device which has been installed in that device for that computing. And that device has been trained and that is built efficient to perform such computing that are required in the real-time world. Like in case of automatic vehicles, where they need to make decisions by themselves if they lose any connection from the internet or from the cloud, they have to make their own decision on runtime. So in automatic vehicles, the object detection device has been fixed, and that is the example of edge computing. Like if a car is running, if a car is going next to the car, your vehicle, or a bus is in front of your vehicle, you have to take turn right or turn left. These all movements are being captured by the device, that is object detection device in your automatic vehicles. So in this form, in automatic vehicles, you can perform the edge computing. So moving towards the traffic management system, In traffic management system, with the help of cameras, it can perform functions such as adjusting the time of traffic signals, opening and closing of traffic lanes, extra lanes, or to open extra lanes or to close extra lane. And through edge computing, traffic is managed intelligently and on a real time basis to avoid any sort of congestion. So traffic management system is another example where you can make the decision on spot. So the next field is healthcare. This sector constantly collects patient data and patient records from various devices such as the sensors, monitors, wearables and other medical devices. This helps the doctors or the health consultant professionals to gain timely information on patient condition. So here is also the condition of the patient and the symptoms and the condition is being analyzed and processed on the on spot. So the healthcare factor, that is another example of on spot computing with the help of some sensors or devices and the monitors. Moving toward the next field, that is security. Data from devices such as on-site cameras, safety devices and sensors ensure that there is no unauthorized access to the site and monitors the safety policies. So in this scenario, this is also an example of the implementation of edge computing. With the help of cameras and sensors, you can have a complete picture of or a view of what is site next to you, and by the help of these sensors and camera, no one can come into the premises or the boundary or the site where you don't want an unauthorized person to come in that domain. So moving toward the next example, that is the agriculture and farming. In this scenario, farmers can monitor various parameters such as the soil's temperature, humidity, level of nutrients in the soil, which can help them in taking decision on watering quality and the level of fertilizers to be applied for farming. So friends, this video is all about edge computing. You have learned about the basic concept of edge computing. In simpler words, we can say edge computing is on spot computing, where computing can be processed on spot, where the source or where the data is generated or near to the user. And with these examples, you have learned how the edge computing have been implemented and helping us in the field. I hope this video will be effective and useful for you. So if you like my content, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and we will meet in the next video. Till then, take good care of yourselves and stay blessed.